Today we'll be doing the top end on this 165-hour 2024 TX 300. We'll be using the Easy Top End Rebuild Kit from slavensracing.com, which comes with everything that you need to perform a top end rebuild, and this kit includes the easy clips which come in clutch. They're super easy to work with. The bike had already came with the tank and the seat removed and washed, so we were ready to dive right in, starting with the radiators. Everybody says that you should take the radiators off, but all you really need to do is undo the line going to the bottom of the radiator from the water pump, undo one side of the lines, left or right, going across to each radiators, and remove the hose going from the head to the frame. Push the radiators forward, and you should have plenty of room to work with.
Where's this thing? Can I see that?
No, you're good now. You don't got to do nothing else.
Wait a second.
Bro, you don't got to take it off. Just move it forward.
What?
Why are we taking it all the way off? Just slide this out. Right? It's out of your way now.
It's still hooked up though.
It's out of your way.
No, you're good. That won't. He's right. It won't alter anything.
All right.
Well, just turn the bar as it gets in the way. This hose is going to be in the way.
With that being done, we're ready to remove the head. Which we did run into an issue with removing the head that we weren't expecting to happen. What we did was we removed the spark plug, removed the head, and the insert is recessed into the cylinder. So what we ended up doing to get that out was we threaded the spark plug back in, which gave us enough leverage to pop the insert out. So next time, we'll just loosen the spark plug a little bit so that way we have a handle that is just hand tight to unthread the spark plug after we take it out.
There you go. That's your insert.
Just had to put it with your purse.
You fucking bitch. What's up with that thing?
That's the insert.
Yeah,
I've never
it's
seen it
like
stay
stock,
though.
dude.
Hit that thing. Use your coin purse again.
Fuck that.
Want to use the starter?
Just hit it.
Right. And then I might push it up now.
I'll bump the starter if you want me to bump the starter.
Why is it stuck?
It's stuck because you're not hitting it with your coin purse.
Coin purse. I'm hitting it. I'm hitting it, yo.
It just fucking.
Just like in there.
It's 'cause
You can see it like moving a little bit, like just the fucking. But why the fuck?
Underneath
Yeah.
the plug and like lift it up.
you have a new plug.
Yeah. Hopefully one of my toolbox is the right one.
I mean, you can get that hutch.
Give me
on Tuesday.
Come on, baby. Hey, hey.
Did that really just pop out that easy?
It just.
By hand?
Dana. Ready to remove the upper motor mounts and remove the power valve servo motor, which all you have to do is remove the plastic cover, unbolt and remove the servo motor, unplug it, and pull it off. And it's as simple as reversing the order to reinstall it. And don't forget your crankcase sensor. First you need to unbolt and unclip the plastic cover, which will allow you to get to the clip to unplug the plug. dummies like us, make sure the piston is at the bottom of the stroke before you remove the cylinder base bolts. You can achieve this by putting it in gear and rolling the tire back and forth so you see the piston at its lowest point. If you're like us and forget till it's too late, you can have somebody hold the jug and roll the tire back and forth, and it should work out fine.
I think you're just hitting the frame right here.
Yeah.
That's your issue.
Yeah.
You sure this piston's all the way down, Johnny?
It's down further than he said it was.
It's hitting the frame. That's why it ain't coming up no more.
Maybe I push down and you guys pull up. Oh, that's off.
Oh yeah. The thing's beat, dude.
It's not
It's beat. Kit, like most, will come with multiple base gaskets. This is so you can either raise or lower the compression or try to keep the bike exactly the same. I forget exactly what we went with, but be sure to measure your stock base gasket before you throw it away. So that way you can either go thinner to raise compression or thicker to lower compression, depending on what you're looking for. We also went ahead and installed a VForce 4X reed valve from motorsport.com. They're more durable than stock. It should increase the efficiency, giving the bike more power and better throttle response. We didn't film much of it, but it's a simple process. Undo a hose clamp on the throttle body, loosen the subframe and swing it upwards, expose the old ones, pull them out, and put the new ones in and reverse the process. Now we're ready to throw everything back together. Before installing the jug, make sure the ring gaps are facing the right direction on the piston and that the piston is down towards the bottom of the stroke again. And be sure to have your manual handy for all torque values. sure you get coolant into both radiators. And to achieve that, we fill the radiator, lean the bike to the side, fill the radiator again, which it allows coolant to burp to the other side. And to bleed, there's a small screw on the back side of the head. Crack that a tiny bit, and you should see coolant bubble out of it. Leave that cracked till you see the coolant stop bubbling. And then go ahead and tighten that back up, and you should be good to go. Last thing you want to do is get a good heat cycle out of it.
I'm ready. Hit that button, dude.
Get the lamp going. Gotta get the lamp going.
In gear, bub.
Yeah.
In gear, bub.
Damn it, John, what's your phone?